In this tutorial we will calculate shear force on a bolt connection. See, we have a bolt connected system and we will apply force at one end and fix this end, and we will apply force like 5,000 pound at one end, and we will find out actual shear force on a bolt. So let's see how to do in Solidworks. Let's create plate for bolt connection. So first I am going to change unit IPS. Even though, let's go to edit IPS, and here I am going to apply fractions 16. Okay, top plane sketch. Now let's say center rectangle. Okay, press escape key to out and activate circle, and let me draw two circles here. Press escape key to out. Now press and hold shift key, select both the circle and make equal relation. Okay, one more relation we have to create. Press and hold shift key, select both the center point horizontal. Okay, a smart dimension. Now this one, 2 space 1 by 2. Okay, now this one from here to here 5 by 8. Similarly for this one 5 by 8 inch, and center to center 1 space bar 1 by 8 inch. See, and distance from here to upper side, and this is going to be 5 by 8 inch. That's fine. The diameter, it's going to be 5 by 16 inch. That's it. Extrude. Now 1 by 4 inch depth or okay. Now here if you want to apply any color for this, okay, let's see. Material we will apply later. Let me save this part 1. Desktop, shear force. This is going to be part 1. Now similarly we will save this as a part 2. Save as part 2. Save. Now let me create, cancel, new assembly. Okay, now first part I am going to give part 1 because by default part 1 always fixed. Say okay. Now I want to fix on origin point, so drop down and activate view origin, and if I move my cursor it will fix attach with origin. See, click and leave cursor. Now deactivate origin. Now here also let me change IPS. Okay, let's insert part 2. Now part 2 I have to rotate. So here comes X, Y direction, 1 time, 2 time. 2 time rotate, it will show you like this. Place somewhere here. Activate mat. Now here we are going to create 3 mats. Select this edge and this edge. Now both going to coincide each other, coincident. Now select this face and this face, coincident. Okay, the last mat, select this inside both the hole, concentric mat. Okay, now let me save this as an assembly. Now let's go to Solidworks add-ins and activate Solidworks simulation. Even if you don't find here, just go to add-ins and here select OK. Now within few seconds it will appear here. Now see. Now the second step is start study. New study. Now here we want to find force on a bolt connection. Keep static, say OK. Now here we will apply some forces and we will fix something. First step is right click, apply material. Let's say I'm going to apply 1045 steel. If you see all the properties here, apply, close. Now look, material applied. Now the next thing is, let's apply connections, because there is two parts, so we have to apply connections. Right click, bolt. Let's fix the bolt between these. Now first here you have to choose type, bolt. Now first is standard bolt. First is, now in first column, circular edge of the bolt head hole. So first I am select this edge. Now activate second edge, and this is for nut. Okay. Now see, these data are collected from this hole. Let me change unit, inches. See here. Now I'm going to keep connection type distributed, because if you use distributed, it allows faces attached to the bolt connection to deform, which delivers a more realistic simulation. Now next comes material. Material of bolt by default alloy steel, so I am going to keep as it is, even though you can click and change from here. Now see, now next is data, strength data, bolt strength. Either no tensile strength, if you know, you can simply apply, or you can calculate tensile strength area. Thread per inch, let's say 10. Now let me select bolt strength, PSI unit, and this is going to be 75,000, and this is the desired factor of safety which we want to achieve. Now preload, even though you can apply or you don't need, I'm going to keep as it is. Now I'm going to select this one, keep visible, say OK. Now here applied. Now again go and select for second hole. Now this is the for bolt. Now activate second one, and this is for the circular edge of bolt nut hole. Select this one. These data are collected from hole. Connection type distributed. Material alloy steel. Now bolt strength data. Calculate tensile strength area. Same as previous bolt. Okay. Cancel. See, bolt is applied. Now here we have two parts, so we have to apply connection between both. So right click and here apply local interaction. Automatically find local interaction. Now select here part 1, part 2, and here select find local interaction. Now you will see the interaction between these two faces are highlighted. Say OK. Now it is asking you, do you want to create selected local interaction? Say yes. Okay. Now let's come down, right click, fix geometry. Now one face we want to fix. So I'm going to fix this one, fix geometry. Okay. Now apply forces, right click, force. Now I want to apply force on this face. See here, type force, torque, force. Unit IPS. Now here I want to apply load 5,000 pound, reverse direction. I want to pull this reverse direction. Say OK. Look. Let me apply mesh. Right click, create mesh. If you go finer side, you will get accurate result, but it will take too much time to calculate. So I am going to keep as it is. Say OK. Now it will take few seconds. Now see, you will see there are many elements and nodes. Now it's time to run this study. Now we did not apply any preload, so this is asking you, would you like to continue or no? So say yes. Now it will take few seconds or maybe few minutes according to your computer system, how fast it can calculate. Now look here. Now we want to find a force on bolt. So right click on result, go to here, define pin bolt check plot, say yes. Now here see these two bolts, say detail. Now from here let me change bolt unit IPS. Now look, nut 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 2. So 1 is means bolt number 1 and nut 2 means bolt number 2. You will see here shear force 2500 on nut 1. On nut 2 shear force 2500. Because we applied 5000 here, so equally applied on both. Even though close and right click, list result force. Now here center force unit IPS bolt. Now if you see here, now look, shear force 25 pound on nut 1, shear force 25 pound on nut 2. See, so this is how we can calculate. Say okay. Now here displacement, double click and you will see, right click, edit definition. Now display resultant displacement inch. Now here we will apply true automatic, so that we will get a exaggerated view which gives better scientific floating. Say okay. Now look, this is not real view. You will see here deformation scale 76. So this is exaggerated view, but it looks beautiful. Right click, animate. Let's say 30, play. Increase the speed. You will see. See, this is not actually happened like this. You will see here displacement in inches 0.005 inch. This is very small, so our bolts are safe. Okay, if you double click show, right click, animate, you will see here a very small stress you will observe here. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.